'cause He knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is He knows, and we follow His direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let His will be done, 'cause He knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are